I talk about color analysis and the science behind style all the time here on the channel, but do I actually know what I'm talking about? I traveled to Seoul, South Korea recently on a brand trip, and one of the activities was a trip to Color Signal and Gangnam. Yes, that Gangnam. And I got a color analysis, but was it what I said it was in my previous videos? Let's find out. So first we filled out this brief checklist. This is something that is going to help the consultant have an idea of where we want to go with a consultation, and also helps them to kind of see like what colors we gravitate towards. One thing that's really cool about brand trips is that I get to meet other influencers, and this one is somebody who I actually watched on YouTube before, so y'all say hi to Twee. Hello, Danielle. Are you ready?
I'm sorry.
So she starts out muting me with this white cloth, so what I'm wearing doesn't interfere with the color read. She'll then drape different color seasons and note how they make me look. Do I look lively, or do I look like I need to see a doctor?
Spring light, summer light, autumn mute, summer mute, spring bright, winter bright. Of course, we recommend the cool color.
Mm-hmm.
And how about the high saturation color? Do you like high saturation color like this?
I like high saturation colors, but I feel like this, you see the color before you see me.
So okay, warm, cool.
I think the cool,
Yeah, of course, we become the cool color.
Mm-hmm.
Especially yours, just the high saturation color is very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Now I share the difference with the mid color, the low saturation.
Yeah.
This is low saturation, high saturation.
Okay.
In the high saturation, define your facial feature. Also, you're very lively.
Mm-hmm.
But in the low saturation, this color too dark to you and too low saturation to you.
Yeah.
So in this color, missing out something.
Mm-hmm.
So we recommend the high saturation color, especially cool tone.
Mm-hmm.
How about the dark and high saturation color? This is the strong tone.
Mm-hmm.
Warm, cool.
Cool.
Yes, you're very luxury in the winter cool tone.
Luxury.
Yes. How about the dark colors? Warm, cool.
Cool.
Yes, you're totally cool tone maybe.
Yeah.
When you're wearing a warm color, your first color turns yellow too much.
Mm-hmm.
So then choose the cool color.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the warm color.
Mm-hmm.
And this is cool color.
Yeah, the
So
cool is
warm.
better. Still a little light, but
Yes.
the cool is better.
Yeah, if you're using the light color, you recommend cool tone.
Mm-hmm.
But the light tone is not your best color. So let's check the dark one.
Okay.
This is the winter strong and winter deep color.
Okay.
This is the high saturation dark color,
Mhm.
winter strong tone. And this is just a dark color, so winter deep.
Mm-hmm.
So let's compare. Winter strong
Mm-hmm.
and winter deep.
I like the deep better.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
deep color makes you very luxury and look like urban, so I recommend the
Okay.
deep color. But if I want to use in the fancy mode, you can choose the high saturation color, like
Yeah.
winter strong. Oh, yours is the burgundy color is very nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that. Mm-hmm. It's almost the same color as my nails.
Yes.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, very close.
Yeah, I like this.
Color. The green color.
It's a little
is
warm.
also,
Yeah.
If you want to use the green color, please choose
Like
the
something like
best
this.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a shirt this color.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
The blue. Yes, yours is the bottom, the red color rather than the blue one.
Yeah,
Like this.
Yeah,
Same
yeah.
high saturation color, but still red.
yeah.
Blue.
Blue.
Yours is the red color.
Yeah.
But if you want to using the blue color, please choose the navy color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. it's
Yeah, I
really
like the
luxury,
navy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's a little bright. Yeah.
Not bad. Well, dark color is much.
Yeah.
Yes, you look very gorgeous in here.
Yes.
The white color is not bad, but I think yes, black is better.
Yeah.
Yours is the clear and dark color like this.
Yes.
How about the dark gray color?
I like the darker gray.
Not bad. Yours is a
Yeah.
darkish color, but we recommend
Do the black.
Yes,
Mhm.
black is
Yeah, much better. Although I don't like to wear black. Because there's so many other colors.
Ah,
Yeah. So this is also called draping, where they look at how certain colors within certain families make your skin look. So they'll look at the gamut of colors. So you'll look at yellows, blues, greens, so on and so forth. But you'll look at lighter yellows, darker yellows, bright yellows, muted yellows. You know what I'm saying? So fun fact, I used to do this for clients back in the day, 20 years ago. They sell these draping kits where you can do this yourself, or you can look up image consultants or color analysis in your area. I had to look this up because I'm on a press trip, so I didn't pay for this. But when I looked this up, it said in Korea it costs between $80 and $300, depending on the length of the session and the number of people involved. The price may also include a translator.
Now let's compare the burgundy and black colors. So burgundy and black. burgundy is better.
You think so?
Yeah, burgundy is much better.
Yeah.
But if you want, you can choose the black color too. Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like
Which color?
this one better
Yeah.
than this one. Yeah.
Yeah, there's just a very low saturation in dark color.
So as you might have realized by looking at all of these color swatches, there are so many variations of colors, especially when you factor in intensity, which means whether it's bright or muted, temperature, which means whether it's warm or cool, tone, whether it's light or dark. And the thing is, a lot of this is already determined by what we have naturally.
Your second best color.
Second best, okay.
And this is your worst color.
Yeah.
It's over the light and very low saturation in the
Yeah.
bottom. This color makes you very
Ooh.
tired. The green color is okay, but
Yeah, but I prefer a cooler white.
Yes. And please choose the off-white color rather than the cream color.
Yeah,
And beige too.
yeah.
And your worst of worst color is the yellow one. Like this.
Oh my god.
Do you like red and yellow?
Not really, unless it's like a very cool yellow, which you don't see a lot of. So I don't really have a lot of yellow things.
So this is not bad news for you.
No, not bad news. Not at all. And I don't think I would ever pick something that color.
Now I'll show the difference with your best color.
Yeah.
In the green color. This is the winter deep green. And this is spring light green.
Ooh.
Please choose the winter color. You can get more luxury.
Yes. Luxury, I love that.
Yeah, your charming part is the luxury.
Yes. I do notice that in the summertime, because a lot of my best colors are kind of too deep for the summer, I usually tend to wear like white or what other colors do I wear in the summer?
2,000 years later.
White mostly. A lot of white. What else do I wear? I do wear other colors, but white I love, like gravitate towards white.
The white or black color you can do it in the summer.
Yeah, yeah.
Or navy color is very nice.
Yeah.
In the summer seasons. Okay.
All right.
Here she went over my color season and also told me which colors to pick for hair, makeup, and also colored contacts.
For the contact lens, we recommend pink, purple, blue, gray, black, and cocoa tone.
Never worn colored contacts, but good to know just in case I do. As for makeup, she recommended darker, cooler colors, which is what I already wear. For lip color, she recommended blue reds and burgundies, which I love, but I've been more on a neutral, lighter lip kick. Thankfully, though, there are lighter colors present in the deep winter palette. And I have to say, she was spot on with my color analysis, but so was I.
Okay, so which one did you get?
So I just discovered I'm an auto mute. I don't think twee and mute has ever been in one sentence before, so telling me I need to shut up.
Can we see the colors?
So these are the colours. We actually have quite opposite colours.
We do.
Yeah.
You're warm. What is yours? Warm.
She said I'm a autumn deep.
And I'm a deep winter.
Deep winter, okay.
Look at us.
Oh wow, look. No, those shades really do look good on you though.
And those look amazing on you.
Thank you.
Look at us. All right, guys. So I got my color signal card with all of my colors and what my do's and my don'ts are. And I'm not a big surprise because the last color analysis video we did, I said that I was a deep winter, and I'm a woman of my word. Turns out I know what I'm talking about. All right, so these lovely ladies also got their colors done. We have Aisha and Daviana over here. I'll put their information below where you can follow them. So what did you get, Aisha?
So I'm a neutral undertone, and I knew that going in, but I didn't know that I need to stay away from certain neutral colors.
Like?
So I can't wear like neutral pinks, like I can't do pastel pinks, I can't do pastel, like certain pastel greens. So the hijab I wore today, I wear a lot of blue and green, but this muted tone colors for these shades are great for me. So my shade is the winter shades.
Me too, I'm winter.
I'm a winter, but I also look really good. My second color palette is autumn.
Autumn, because you're neutral, so you can wear both.
I can wear both.
Boom.
It's a great flex, I'm not gonna
Okay.
lie.
Get you a girl who can do both, okay? Okay. And Daviana?
I'm bright colors, but I don't know if that's like cool. Technically spring, no? Like the
Yeah.
brighter colors. Bright colors, my second best was like cool. She said I could wear more blacks than browns. And
Yeah. All right, we just gonna be out here wearing our colors.
We're gonna
and
do a lot of
everything.
shopping when we're here, let's just say that.
Might as well. It's always an excuse to shop.
Absolutely. Now I'm gonna buy all the hijab colors, I'm gonna buy all these
Yes.
colors, and
Might
I'm
as
just
well.
like, this is a great excuse to buy more clothes. So
Okay.
You gotta take advantage.
Yes. Now, if you are like, okay, what is this color stuff? Make sure you check out this playlist right here because I went through it all, especially with women of color in mind because they try to lump us all in the same category. So check out this playlist here and I'll see you there.